So this is exercise 2.2, question number first, part third. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x, where we have to find the zero of this equation, and after that we need to verify the relationship between the sum and between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, so our general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. ओके, फ्रॉम द अबव इक्वेशन सबसे पहले हम इसे जनरल इक्वेशन के बेसिस पे लिखेंगे. 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 3. ओके, लेट्स फाइंड आउट द कोफिशिएंट. व्हाट इज ए? 6. व्हाट इज बी? माइनस 7. एंड व्हाट इज सी हेयर? माइनस 3. ओके, हमें दो नंबर फाइंड करने हैं जिनका प्रोडक्ट आए -18 एंड उनका सम आए -7. सो व्हाट आर द टू नंबर्स? 6x स्क्वायर minus 9x plus 2x. Okay, if you multiply these two number you will get 18 minus 18, and if you sum these two number you will get -7. after that हमें यहां से कॉमन लेना होगा और यहां से. आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर दैट दोनों ब्रैकेट में सेम नंबर कॉमन होने चाहिए. ओके, यहां से हम क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं? 3x. यहां पे क्या बचेगा? 2x माइनस 3 के टेबल में 9 कब किस पोजीशन पे आता है? 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी गेट. आफ्टर दैट पुट द सेम ब्रैकेट हेयर. Okay, what is common here? That is 1. Okay, 3x plus 1 in one bracket and 2x minus 3 in another bracket. Okay, after that हमें zeros find करने हैं. Okay, this is our main goal. 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. 3x is equals to minus 1. What we get as x? 1 by 3. This is our first zero, then we called it as alpha. Okay, now find the another zero. 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 by 2. So this is our second zero, which we name as beta. Okay, we find both the zeros. Now what we have to do? We need to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, so first of all, sum of zeros. Okay, how we calculate the sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta should be equals to minus b by a. What is alpha? That is minus 1 by 3. What is beta? That is 3 by 2. And above we have calculated, we have find out the coefficient. So what were the coefficient we get? A is equals to 6, B is equals to -7 and C is equals to -3. Okay. So what is B? -7. And what is A? That is 6. Okay, so here take the LCM. What is it? 6. Okay, so what it will come here? -2 plus 9 cancels, and what is the output here? 7 by 6. So we verify the sum of zeros. Okay, now we need to verify the product of zeros. How we calculate the product of zeros? Alpha beta is equals to C upon A. This is our product of zeros. Product of zeros is equals to C upon A. Okay, what is alpha? Minus 1 by 3. What is beta? 3 by 2. And what is C? Minus 3. What is A? 6. Okay, 3 से 3 cut, it's like minus 1 by 2 remains here. And again it is 1 by 2. And we have minus here, that is minus 1 by 2. So we verify LHS is equals to RHS. So we verify the relationship between the sum of the zeros and the product of zeros. Okay. So this is our part 3rd. Okay. Now we have the 4th part, that is 4u square plus 8u. Okay. This is my general equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. So what is a here according to that? That is 4. What is b here? 8. And we don't have any constant term, that means c is equals to 0. Okay. So we have 4u square plus 8u. Okay. We have only 2 terms. हम यहाँ से common लेते हैं 4u. Okay. So what we will get here? U plus 2. Okay. Now हमें इनके zeros find out करने हैं. That means we will put 4u is equals to 0. जहाँ पे हमें u क्या मिलेगा? 0 by 4 which is equals to 0. We have now u is equals to 0, which means this is our first 0, which is known we called as alpha. Okay, let's calculate the another 0 now. We put u plus 2 is equals to 0, u is equals to minus 2. This is what we called as second 0, that is beta. Okay, now we need to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Okay, let's do that. Sum of zeros is equals to minus b by a. Okay, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. What is alpha? 0. What is beta? Minus 2. What is b? That is 8. What is a? That is 4. If you solve this, हमें मिलेगा minus 2. And यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा minus 2. Okay. LHS is equals to RHS, which means we verify the sum of the zeros and the coefficient. Now, अब हम find out करेंगे product of zeros. ठीक है? Product of zeros क्या है? C by A. Alpha beta is equals to C by A. What is alpha? 0. What is beta? Minus 2. And what is C? 0. What is A? 4. Okay, so we have here 0 is equals to 0. That is how we have verified the product of zeros. LHS is equals to RHS. Thanks for watching.